Another day, another video. What is up, guys? Styles here. Hope you guys are all doing well out there. As for myself, I mean, hey, I can't complain. Aside from my allergies, which, bear with me, my eyes are watery and my nose, I'm all stuffy, congested, so I'm sounding like I'm talking through my nose right now. Take me as I am or not at all. I'm doing the best that I can. It was either this or another video, but I digress. Anyway, so as of late, I've been collecting toys, more in particular Funko Pops and Masters of the Universe. And with the exception of like deluxe or like special packaging, I intend to open these up. So when I got this particular item in the mail, I was a little PO'd. And at the same time, I was conflicted because I got it on sale. Well, so a little backstory. So I'm in the phase right now where I gotta justify, like everything has to be justified. So this particular item initially was 40 bucks, and I was like, okay, so 20 bucks a figure, it's not bad at all. So I put it in my cart and I saved it for later. And I waited for like a month and it went down to 30 bucks. And I was like, okay, so it's time to purchase it. But then I was like, you know, there's a few more things that I want to get before this, so I waited like another week. And then it went down to 21 bucks. And I was like, oh yeah, it's time to go. So we put it in the cart and we check out. Now, when I tell you, I was beyond elated at the fact that I found it for 21 bucks. But it took me like a month to get it. I was like, wow, a month? But 21 bucks, I'm happy to get it. So I'm not, you know. But when I get the item, like, now listen, I intend to open most of these packages up. But this, I wanted to keep in the package. And when I got the package, like, I just have to ask this out loud. Like, what did I do to you? Like, what have I ever done? Like, for you, like, this is crazy. Like, this is crazy. Like, you had to go out of your way to do this to this package. This is crazy. So you can see here, this has never seen a retail peg whatsoever. Non-punched Keldor and Kronis, aka Skeletor and Trapjaw. The artwork is so nice on this, and I wanted to keep it in the package, but Amazon, they had other plans. They were like, you know what, F your couch. Look at that. See that? Like, I don't know what I did to deserve this. Like, that is unacceptable. I mean, I granted, much like my shoe collection, I don't wear the box. So, it's okay. Like, I'm going to open it. I mean, I didn't want to, but I will. And so, like, initially, when I seen this, it was 40 bucks. And at 20 bucks a figure, like, that's reasonable. I can justify that. So I didn't plan to open this at all. But since Amazon decided to be a hater and partially open it for me, I'm going to go ahead and open it. Look at the packaging. The artwork is so nice. Never seen a retail peg, unpunched card. From 2021, Keldor and Kronis, aka Skeletor and Trapjaw. Deluxe figure that I wanted to keep in the packaging. I thought they would display very nicely. But Amazon was like, nah, F your couch. Like, I can't for the life of me think of what I may have done to deserve this. That's crazy. Like, you had to go out of your way to literally, like, this was deliberate. This has not seen a retail shelf. This has not been pegged. Unpunched hole card here. And thanks to Amazon, we'll be opening it up. Like, look at that. Put my finger in there, they just beat it all up. Like, seriously. Like that was some unplaced aggression right there. Like your McDonald's order must have been wrong that day. Or like your Starbucks was late. That's crazy. Or your shift lead must have said something to you, but that was like, I don't know, either you or the seller. Look at that. That's legit. This is a 1-star experience. But again, I got a deal, so I really can't be too mad. So we're gonna open it. But I really wish that it hadn't been opened up like that. I really wish they'd have to beat the box up like that. I mean, like, really, like, seriously, like, you really have to do that? Like, that was necessary? Like, I should have showed you how it literally just came in the bag. Like, they just took the bag, threw it in the bag, threw it in the truck. Like, seriously. Planes, trains, and automobiles. Maybe even like a rickshaw. Who even knows? Like, this thing has been through its paces to get to me. They just threw it. You know what I mean? Like, that's it. It never even seen a plane or a boat. They just threw it. They just played catch with it all the way here. Like, from one end of the earth to the other. Like, they legit. They just played catch with it. From one end of the earth to the other. They just literally just threw my package. They could care less about how I felt. They would F your couch. That's crazy. I'm like, what did I do? Really, like, what did I do to you? This has never seen a retail shelf. Look at that. Unpegged. But yet, the damage, the things this box can say to you, it's unimaginable. That's crazy. Look at that. This is a 1-star experience. But again, I got a good deal, so I can't be too mad. But I really wanted to keep this in the package. But it's cool. We're going to open it up, and it'll look very nice on the shelf nonetheless. Just that my experience with this is less than choice. I'm not about to yuck someone's yum, but seriously though, like seriously bro, you did me dirt on this one. Like really, like you did me dirt. Like your fries must have been cold that day or something. Like I don't know what, like really, your shift lead must have said something to you. You couldn't go to Starbucks. I don't know. Like you had to deliberately like look at that. Like seriously, and like. The way it came to me, like, there was no box included. It was just like thrown into the bag. And they just like, seriously, it never seen a plane or a boat. Like, literally, they just played catch with it from one end of the earth to the other. Like, they literally, they just threw it. They just, like, oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. But again, I got a deal, so not too mad. Initially, it was $40, which, again, not bad. Like, you're getting 2 figures, $20 a piece. And you get an extra Skeletor head, which is really cool. Like, I really bought it for the head right here, but anyway. So, $40. Good look. And again, I'm happy to have it. Not complaining, but really, the packaging. So we're gonna open it up. Didn't want to open it, but I guess we're gonna. Yeah, this box is beats. I don't know what. So, I guess we'll cut the top part off and we'll put it in the frame, I guess. I don't know. I do like this background. We're gonna repurpose this. It's pretty cool, the red background. I also have the original version of Trapjaw. But he is really nice. The colors are really nice. And he comes with a cape that you can't remove. And again, this is the reason why I purchased. Keldor and Kronis. Not bad. Again, I just wish that these were still in the package because that's kind of how I wanted to display them, was in the packaging. But nonetheless, pleased with the purchase. 21 bucks on Amazon. Pretty dope figures. I'm pleased with them. Happy to add them to the collection. Once again, this has been Styles. You guys be kind and do the needful. See me tomorrow or the next day or whenever you see me. It's got a removable cape. It's got a sick mullet. Look at that. Is that a mullet? Or is that just a slick perm? Slick perm or mullet? What do you think? Either way, it's nice, right? It's nice. Vintage Skeletor from the 80s. Same height. Well, actually, this is a little taller. I'm really glad to have this in the collection. $21 for the 2-pack. Definitely a good buy. $21. You definitely should pick this up. Next to the original. Original 1980s Trapjaw. I wasn't feeling the best this week and my allergies been acting up, so I had to get a video up and I had to unbox my toys at the same time, so 2 for 1. This has been Styles. Take the good with the bad. Catch me later.